Hey guys, it's Kerry. I'm looking at animals from Africa today. At the end of the video is an insect chart. It's insects that come from South Africa. Just click on it to enlarge it. What animal is only found in Africa? Many iconic African animals live elsewhere in the world, especially in Europe and Asia. However, the chimpanzee, giraffe, African wild dog, zebra, serval, lemur, mamba, okapi and gorilla are all exclusive to Africa. Of course, they all exist in captivity in other continents, but they are wild in Africa and nowhere else. I'm going to put some of these animals to the side until the other ones that are the same kind of animal turn up out of the basket. The ostrich, which is the largest and one of the world's most well-known birds, is found exclusively in Africa. It is also the world's heaviest bird. An adult ostrich can grow to 2.7 meters tall and weigh up to 159 kilograms. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Zebra. They communicate with various vocalizations, body postures and facial expressions. Male zebras can be aggressive, particularly when defending their territory. When zebras bite, they don't let go. They injure more American zookeepers than tigers. They are virtually impossible to lasso with a rope, even for pro cowboys. They have a strong sense of self-preservation and tend to protect each other. Giraffe. A giraffe's neck is his most powerful weapon. Males participate in necking or swinging their necks at each other to deliver a blow to their opponent. This is to establish social hierarchies and dominance, or to win the right to mate with a female. Giraffes can defend themselves with a deadly kick. Their speed, the way they move, and their body designs also help them to escape predators if they need to. Giraffes have excellent eyesight, allowing them to see movement from a long distance, and a keen sense of hearing that help them be safe from predators. Their spotted coat pattern helps to camouflage them in the dry savanna. When drinking water, the giraffes must splay their forelegs and or bend their knees to lower their necks and reach the surface of the water due to their slightly odd body structure. Drinking puts them in a vulnerable position, in particular when there are predators around. Giraffes reproduce year-round, with females giving birth to a single large calf after a gestation period of approximately 15 months. Females give birth standing up, and calves are usually able to stand within a few hours following birth. White rhino. They are perfectly designed to eat grass. With short legs, their long head reaches almost to the ground when eating. White rhinos swing their head from side to side to find grass. Their square mouth is the perfect shape to maximize the amount of grass they can grab in one swing. Rhinos can consume up to 80 kilograms of food a day and up to 80 liters of water. Rhinos live in groups, which consist of a dominant male, females and their young. A calf will stay with their mother until another baby is born. They love to wallow. This protects them from the sun and is also an insect repellent and moisturizer. African monarch butterfly. They are found in Africa, Southern Europe and parts of Asia. They are able to taste with their feet. They have taste receptors on their feet which help them to identify their host plant. The butterfly will stomp on the leaves to release plant juices, and then she'll test them to make sure it's the right plant on which to lay her eggs. They have a liquid-only diet and must slurp up their food using their proboscis, a long curled-up tube that forms the butterfly's mouth. Marabou stork. They possess hollow leg and toe bones. In such a large bird, this is an important adaptation for flight. These birds secure much of their food by scavenging. They break through the thick hides of large deceased mammals with their powerful beak. Shoebill. The length from tail to beak can range from 1 meter to 1.4 meters, and the wingspan is up to 2.6 meters. Secretary birds are distantly related to buzzards, vultures, harriers, and kites. Unlike these raptors, secretary birds spend most of their time on the ground. They are good flyers and nest and roost high up in acacia trees at night. In flight, their long legs trail behind them in the air. They use 2 different hunting techniques. They catch prey by chasing it down, and then they either strike it with their bill or stomp on it until the prey is dead or stunned. When attacking prey, the birds spread both wings and raise their feathered crest at the back of the head. African elephant. They use a variety of defense skills to protect themselves and their herd. Elephants often work together to protect each other. When threatened, the herd will form a circle with the young at the center and the adult females facing the threat. Elephants will charge when they feel threatened. A mock charge involves the elephant extending its trunk, flapping its ears, stopping abruptly, kicking dust, and trumpeting loudly. They use a variety of communication methods, including growls, rumbles, roars, and trumpets. They also use body language to communicate threats, including looking towards the threat, spreading their ears out, standing tall, and head shaking. Elephants have a musk gland located just beneath the skin surface, halfway between the eye and ear on each side of the head. This gland is associated with sexual activity and/or communication. Annually, musk glands secrete a dark, oily, musky substance and become inflamed. This physiological change is associated with the behavior observed in male elephants called musk. Bulls assess each other's strength through sparring or play fighting. The level of dominance is closely related to a bull's size, power, and weight. As bulls mature, these characteristics increase. Hippo. Males especially use their canines for fighting. To ward off enemies, a hippo may yawn, scoop water with its mouth, shake its head, rear up, lunge, roar, grunt, chase, and make a loud wheezing sound, all of which are threat displays. A hippo can kill people if it's provoked or feels threatened. The impressive tusks and canine teeth are used mainly for defense or fighting with other hippos. The pygmy hippo is much smaller than the common hippo, about 10 times smaller. They prefer to spend time on land rather than in water. Pygmy hippo. They are reclusive and nocturnal. The pygmy hippo displays many terrestrial adaptations, but like the common hippo, it is semi-aquatic and relies on water to keep its skin moist and its body temperature cool. Behaviours such as mating and giving birth may occur in the water or on land. The pygmy hippo is herbivorous, feeding on ferns, broadleaf plants, grasses and fruits it finds in the forest. And here you can see one swimming. Stork. They have little or no webbing between the toes and their tibia is bare of feathers. This bird is rarely seen in groups of less than 10 birds. They are sometimes spotted in huge flocks of up to 10,000 individuals. Storks are often seen in and around large swarms of locusts, gorging on the insects. Grey heron. They are the largest member of the heron family, weighing up to 2 kilograms and standing up to 1 metre tall. They live in freshwater habitats like lakes, ponds, rivers, streams and marshlands. They use their long legs to wade into the water and catch fish and frogs. Ostrich. They are the world's largest birds, standing up to 2.7 metres tall and weighing more than 150 kilograms. Ostriches are the fastest running birds on land, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometres per hour. They lay the world's largest eggs, which can weigh up to 1.5 kilograms and average around 15 centimetres long. Ostriches have 2 toes on each foot, while most birds have 3 or 4. Ostriches have large brown eyes that are bigger than their brains, giving them excellent eyesight. They are omnivores that eat plants, insects, snakes, lizards and rodents. They swallow sand and pebbles and small stones to help grind up their food. They are found living in grasslands, savannas and open woodlands across Africa. Male ostriches perform a mating dance with their wings to attract females. Both the male and female ostriches take turns incubating the eggs for 35 to 45 days. In the wild, they live 30 to 40 years, but can live up to 70 years in captivity. Bushbaby. They are named because their cry sounds much like a baby crying. It is one of the world's smallest primates, about the size of a squirrel. Bushbabies have large round eyes that help them see in low light. They have bat-like ears that can rotate independently to help them locate prey. Pangolin. They are the only mammals to have plate-like scales. They act as an armoured exterior. When threatened, they roll into a ball that's almost impenetrable to predators. They also have a foul odour similar to a skunk that they secrete from glands near their anus to deter predators and mark their territory. This looks so much fun. Mosquito. Only females bite. Male mosquitoes feed on nectar, but female mosquitoes need the protein in blood to produce eggs. Female mosquitoes are the ones that spread disease to humans and animals. Okapi. They are a threatened species due to their low population. They have zebra-like stripes that help them camouflage in the dense rainforest where they live. Okapis are herbivores that eat leaves, twigs, grasses, ferns, fruits and mushrooms. Okapis are ruminants, which means they chew their food twice. They are solitary animals. Their large ears help them sense predators. Cheetah. They have excellent eyesight with a high concentration of nerve cells leading to the optic nerve. They also have a nictitating membrane that protects their eyes during fast sprints. Cheetahs are the only member of the cat family that can't fully retract their claws. Their semi-retractable claws help them grip the ground while chasing prey. Serval. They have the largest ears of any cat species, with each ear containing 22 muscles. They can rotate their ears up to 180 degrees independently of each other, allowing them to pinpoint the slightest noises made by prey. Caracal. They are the fastest felids of their size, capable of running up to 80 kilometers per hour. They are sometimes referred to as gazelle cats. They are excellent jumpers, able to leap 2 meters into the air to catch birds in flight. They are agile climbers and hunters. Leopard. They are ambush predators that stalk their prey at night, using their spots to hide in grass and leaves. They can run up to 60 kilometers per hour and leap 3 meters vertically and 6 meters horizontally. When they pounce on their prey, they bite the neck to kill. Leopards are excellent climbers due to their lightweight build, strong shoulders and forelimbs, and low center of gravity. They are resilient swimmers and can hunt their prey in water or bring their prey across bodies of water to eat up in a tree. Leopards can live in a variety of habitats, including rainforests, deserts, woodlands, and forests. Lion. They hunt large animals such as zebra and wildebeest. The lionesses are the primary hunters in a pride, doing 85 to 90% of the hunting. They are smaller and more agile than the males, which helps them stalk and kill prey. Male lions sometimes join the hunt for larger prey. A female lion needs 5 kilograms of meat a day. A male needs 7 kilograms or more a day. Prime habitat for lions is open woodlands, thick grassland and brush habitat where there is enough cover for hunting and denning. These areas of grassland habitat also provide food for the herbivores that lions prey upon. Adult male lions are much larger than females. Their manes are to attract females. Even the colour can make a difference. They would also protect their neck during a fight. With reproduction, courtship may be initiated by either female or male. The male may lick her neck, back or genital area, which is uncommon behaviour outside of courtship. The female may not accept the male's advances or may playfully avoid him. The male smells the female's urine or vulva to assess sexual receptivity. Females invite copulation by lordosis, a reflexive behavior in felids. Copulations are brief but frequent. The male lion's penis has spines that point backward. During withdrawal of the penis, the spines rake the walls of the female's vagina to stimulate ovulation. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to all of your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.